In Dingle, in March 1980, Donnchadh met two musicians, natives of two of the Blasket Islands, who were by then, of course, living on the mainland. They were Maurice O'Dowley and Sean O'Sullivan, on accordion and fiddle respectively, and they played the Blackbird for him, a tune they used to play on the islands.
Agus beton I lána goman sa. Céine am tarsa gan úsil.
Bhfuil seo dáha.
Agus sin Sean O'Sullivan. Tá mána grit na foiil.
Antoine Grit.
Cábhfuil sib an písa ceol an sananis.
Sléan hwn dŵf. A pan mae chwrs y bywyd ge o hon i'r soel.
Is tóca é. Agus ceach éine sementan na lána stóca flo.
O grawn, ffordd mwhog yn y pwrsyn.
Tá sa gom.
Agus
a dagan sib le céile go minic.
Iag mi ddech chi'n marfech ar...
Rúla búile na tá seisiúil.
Marfech chi a chracid na un tidmwr ddeud am marfech.
Cabiricht agus caint agus cwrá.
Interesting responses there in 1980 to Donnchagh's question about the source of the tune the musicians had played. Maurice O'Dowley poetically says, "Aren't my ears deaf listening to it since I came into the world?" Doubtless true. But then Sean O'Sullivan adds the information that it was from the gramophone mostly that they learned tunes when it came out at first. Even the relatively isolated and elemental life of the Blaskets wasn't untouched by the modern world, nor was its music.